Hello everyone, my name is Kartik. You are watching Prof Kaimus, and in today's episode we are gonna make a sea pickle farm. Last time I told you that we are making a 2 high flower farm, but no, I forgot how to make it because I'm dumb. So first you need a square, rectangle or whatever shape you want you can take. Then place any block like this, put some water on it, then break the block. Make sure that water goes everywhere. Then break the blocks down and replace it with some coral. Make sure that your coral is not there. Put the water first, because if you want, your coral is gonna die. So let's first put the water inside it. So let me put it. So the ingredients which I forgot to told in the start are coral, your favorite block. I am using cords, sea pickle, a lever, some bone meal, water bucket, and obviously the dispenser. Now place the coral block in this way about the water source block. Put pickles on the coral. Now comes the hard part. We have to put a dispenser above it. So it is very frustrating because the water would keep pushing you back. First build something so that on which you can put the dispenser on it. It is very frustrating to do it in this manner when the water keeps on pushing you. I every time get very frustrated while building this, especially during this part. Put the dispenser and put some bone meal inside it. Now wait a minute. Now put the coral back in. In this way, remove those cords or the favorite block which you have put for the support of the dispenser. Put a lever on here as I am showing. So every time you flick a lever, the bone meal will come on the sea pickle and the sea pickle will keep on multiplying. See, now I can so now the sea pickles are multiplying. So that's it for this video, and in the next episode I am going to teach you probably a wool farm. So till then, bye bye.